everyone and good morning, because right now it's 9 a.m. in the morning and I'm actually about to have breakfast. But today I thought that I can take you along with me and show you what I eat in a day. As someone who aims to build some muscle, at the same time try to keep her meals healthy and balanced. So this is gonna be a high protein addition. What I normally do is that I eat 80% healthy and 20% unhealthy, because I just like give myself that permission time to time to eat a dessert and like really indulge in it. What I'm gonna do this morning as my breakfast is that I'm thinking about eggs and maybe some yogurt parfait with some banana, but we will see how it goes. By the way, I'm using my new planning assistant Exiles to help me out with what I'm gonna eat today. So this is my daily spread, and I also keep my meal list over here. And the great thing is I can also color code this one by clicking here and coming here. For example, I can make it purple, and this just looks super nice. Breakfast is served as usual. I have my coffee over here. This is Turkish coffee with some regular milk, because we need some protein from milk as well. And also, I'm not afraid of adding some extra calories to my coffee. And over here, I have some roasted breads, and on top of it, cream cheese, some onion, greens, lettuce. That's what I mean by that. And also omelets. Recently, I love to add onions to my omelet or like eat them together. So this is actually my go-to breakfast. May not look the most aesthetic, but it's definitely filling. I have 1 onion, 3 bread slices, and 2 eggs. And I believe in this breakfast, I have close to 20 grams of protein, which is ideal. First sip of coffee. Chef's kiss. Very random. I want to eat some olives as well, so I'm gonna add, I think, close to 5. I'm about to get today's workout done. For Tuesday, I have upper body for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna grab my mats over here and we need to get that job done.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
Just finished the workout, and right now I'm seriously in need of a post-workout meal. And of course, I'm gonna keep it protein heavy. And what I'm thinking right now is to do a yogurt parfait, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and, you know, add some honey, nuts, fruit. That's what I feel like. So yeah, and I also consider like these bowls as my lunch. I think the meal after that is gonna be dinner for me. Midday snack is ready. I have some bananas, I added some chia seed, some raisins, some nuts, and underneath that I have some yogurt with some honey because I have a sweet tooth, I need to admit. So that's what I'm gonna be snacking on, and I'll see you guys when I have dinner. Also, something new, I heard that if you want to get all the benefit of chia seeds, you need to let them soak in. So as you can see, I mixed them up with the yogurt. I will wait a few minutes and then gonna enjoy my midday lunch. So I was out this afternoon for some walk and I've been looking around in a shopping mall. Turns out that I took close to 10k steps, which means I'm definitely starving at the moment. What I'm thinking for today's dinner is to create a poke bowl. I'm just like gonna use what I already have. So here I have some of my ingredients. This is chicken breast, and I also have some, how do you say that, legume. This is a pre-made homemade meal that I already had in my refrigerator. These are gonna be some of my sauces, mayonnaise, soy sauce, and also as a base I have some greens over here. I'm incredibly happy and surprised right now because it just turned out that it is the most aesthetic poke bowl ever, and we have such a good protein source over here, which is chicken breast, and I also added some peppers into it to, you know, give it a taste. And as a base I have some lettuce, and I have my meal over here, and this one I have lentil, carrot, chickpea, potato, onion, and some tomato sauce. My mayonnaise with some garlic sauce. This is really great. And also I have one portion of orange because now it's just like a habit for me, like after every dinner I eat one portion of fruit. So this night it just happened that it's orange. I'm opening up my favorite TV series, but let's give it a try. I give this a 10 out of 10, seriously. So now it's 10:30 and I feel like it is time for my late night snack. I've been just like binge watching my TV series for like the last 2 hours or something. So I have a few things in my kitchen. The first thing is the salty version of peanuts, and the other one is the sweet version, aka peanut butter. This is the part that's remaining, and highly possible I'm gonna finish the whole bottle tonight. And this is the brand that I always go for, and they produce 100% natural peanut butter, And the only thing that I do is to add some natural honey into it. And since I've been craving something salty, I recently picked this up. This is basically peanuts covered with, chips. I'm aware that this is an unhealthy option for me, but I allow myself time to time, and that way I actually don't feel guilt, because I also allow myself to eat unhealthy options for like up to 3 times, and I just like do not exceed that. So this week is gonna be my second time that I eat something unhealthy. Also, 2 to 3 scoops of protein butter actually has more protein than you think, which is close to 10 grams. One thing about me is that every night before I go to sleep, I take my supplements. So this one is iron, and the other one is B12. I get 1 each. So with that being said, this covers a full day of what I eat, but keeping it protein heavy. And I really hope that you actually got some inspiration from this video, because I want you to take some of these information and actually use it maybe in your diet, or how you actually decide to eat in your everyday life. And this is the system that works for me and the one that's sustainable. How I actually find that balance with my meals, how I eat, what I eat, in which portions, and most of the time I just listen to my body and change up my meals, what I eat. Enough talking, I guess. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.